So yeah, today we discuss about the how to schedule post on your Facebook. Just write down one by one step. Open your Facebook account. Open your Facebook account. Select either website URL or either YouTube URL. Select our website URL or either YouTube URL. So here I'm selecting for YouTube URL here. I'm taking for here. One is called how to increase your LinkedIn followers. Take this YouTube URL. Just mute your video first. Go to your page. In a preview, we sharing by the through Facebook or YouTube to Facebook. Or we can copy the URL. There you are into the where your Facebook page. So just copy the title here. So I'm posting here. So took this option. What the option call is public post. Before that, one arrow will be there. Of this one. What is that? What is that? Back date. Today will be called February 28th. Now click the back date. That year call 2017. Clear? Look this year. The video post by when? February 26, 2018. 2017. So I'm setting for December 26. The video post by 2018. But I'm posting by when? 2017 December. Here they're showing only for few months. Why? Why? Because the page created by the September 2017. Based on the page creation, based on the profile creation, they're showing by the back date. So by a page created by the yesterday, we can't go with the 2017. It's up to accept yesterday date only. So based on the page creation, they accept by the back date. So we created by 2 years back. You can go back 2 years back also. So here, select December 26. Click for back date. So here, they might possibly be done. Clear? The video will be February 26. My video update by when? December 26, 2017. Now check when you're scrolling, you can check by the that post. Clear? This is the first one. What is called back date. Now here I can select one video here. Any video you can select here. So I'm selecting this one. Go to your page. Select it. So yeah, and copy the title here. Previous I'm posting for the back date. Now see, same thing is, I'm going to check in here my company. So what that? Schedule. The schedule accept up to 6 months. Please write down when you're posting anything, the schedule will be accepted by up to 6 months. So what the today date will be? 28th of February. Now check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. After that, what showing for? Date will be disabled. Up to 6 months will be visible. We can post up to 6 months. That is called scheduled post. This is called future post. Backdate based on the page creation, based on the profile creation. So here I can schedule date here. This date will be scheduled by when? March 1st. Can select by the 6 o'clock, 6 a.m. Or else we set it by like this also. Midnight, 12 o'clock. Now click for schedule. So based on the date, post will be automatically scheduled. We can schedule posts up to 100 posts, we can schedule, no issues. Up to 100, but possible by up to 6 months. More than 6 months, we can't schedule your post here. So this is called your profile, sorry, page. So we look at the profile here. So I'm going to the profile. So I'm checking for page. Okay. So what is the profile option? Will be possible by schedule post are there or not? We schedule by back post will be applicable or not in your profile. So here I'm going to the profile option. Click to my profile. Here it is. Select any one video here. Copy this URL.